And hi, I'm doing Leetcode Problems, making these videos. I don't know why. Well, I know why. Alright, here we go. And I'm gonna do this one in Java. This time it's Java. I don't know how this is gonna go. You know, like I was doing a lot of Java with Android for a while, but it's been a while. So, three sum. What does this mean? Given an integer array nums. Given an integer array called nums, return all of the triplets such that I is not j, I is not k, j is not k, and they equal 0. Notice that the solution set must not contain duplicate triplets. For example, nums -1, 0, 1, 2, -1, -4. These sum together equal 0. These sum to be 0. Oh, math is hard. The only possible triplet does not add up to 0. Blah, blah, blah. Well, there's like a really... Well, the brute force way is, of course, to have 3 indices I, j, k. We know that these nums is greater than or equal to 3. The length of it is. Like the brute force way, what I'm trying to say here is it's like this, like, let, for int I equals 0, j equals 1, k equals 2. Done. How do I know when I'm done? I'm done when I is less than... I keep going as long as I is less than nums minus 2, 3. So in other words, like in this case, nums is 3. So if 0, I hate this. I hate life. Nums dot length. I'm returning a list of integers. -2, I guess. Look, if it's A, B, C like this, then this is integer. This is index 0, 1, 2, meaning that length equals 3. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 equals 1. No, this is 3. Oh wait. What am I trying to get for my output here? Oh, do I do the test at the end? I don't know. I'm going to put a break. If I equals nums dot length minus... Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? It's because it's like 11:20 at night. Ugh. I 0 I plus plus R int I plus 1, j plus plus, for int k equals j plus 1, k plus plus. So what I'm trying to say, friends, is that I have these, let's say I have, okay, what I want to start off with is I, j, and k, and then I want k to keep advancing, like marching across the little screen here, like a nice little soldier, until it gets to k is less than nums.length. Okay, and then it stops, and next j goes and makes its little journey to here. Okay, so j increases, and then k, of course, starts again back at j plus 1, okay, and takes its little journey going that direction, right? Then we loop around at the beginning, I, j, k, like that. So j is really going to be like j less than nums dot length minus 1, and this is like I less than j nums dot length minus 2. Yes, it's order n cubed. I know. It's brute force. Just let me freaking see if this works, okay? Then it's like, what am I doing? Returning triples? I'm actually putting the triples as lists of lists. No duplicates. Oh, wait a minute. I don't care about the array indices here, do I? Wait a minute, what? The only possible... okay. Let's say that the input is... Okay, let me reread this again. Must not contain duplicate triplets, which seems to imply some kind of hash table type of deal. Okay. Like, for example, it says it must not contain duplicate triplets. However, I can't really do it as a hash table, because, for example, -2, 1, and 1, right? If that's my input, I can't just have a hash table with like 1 as one of the keys, because aside from checking to see whether the triplet has already been found, what are some ways, what is a better way to do this aside from brute force? If I sort the array, I feel like that helps me in some way. I don't know what way that would be. Let's see, this would have been Easier if I actually did the two-sum problem, which I never did. Well, I don't know. So this is what I don't understand. So what we're saying here is that if this is my input, 1, 1, 1, minus 2, right, then I would only be returning this triple, 1, 1, minus 2. But if my input is 1 minus 2, I cannot return this triple. That's interesting. That's interesting, and what's also interesting about it is it really kind of makes it so that I don't know if I can use a hash table. But what I think I could do is if I sort, there's some optimizations I could do if I sort, right? Let's say I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. And these are all sorted. Well then, one thing I know is that if I choose, as one optimization, if I choose A and B as my first two parts of the triple, then I can do a binary search within these elements to quickly find whether or not the one that I need is there. Okay? Now here's another thing. If A and B sum to 0, oh, here's an interesting thing too, right? Let's say I have something like this, right? Minus 1, 1, some other array elements. If it's pre-sorted, these are my first array elements, then I know that everything here has to be larger than 1, which means that these aren't part of a triple. This could be part of a triple with, no, actually. It's never going to be, that means that is never going to be part of a triple. Because it's just not. You know what I'm saying here, folks? For a triple to work, okay, hold on. Let's do some other thinking about numbers here. Let's say I have minus 10, some other number, and minus 9, and a bunch of numbers. Make this dash to mean anonymous number. Okay, I shouldn't be using a dash, but I am. Okay. This tells me that since these are negative, these are summed to negative. First of all, actually this can, maybe that's minus 8. Maybe this is minus 9, right? This is the annoying part. It's like I can't I can't uniqueize it, you know? The order of the output and the order of the triplets does not matter. Distinct triplets are that. Okay. There's a tricky math thing here. I forget what it is. It's like if I do a binary search in, it's like if I pick like a pivot, you know, and like another pivot, assuming it's sorted. If I pick a pivot and another pivot, just be recursive, then it's like I hate life. Let's go back to what I was doing before. I think I'm just going to write code that does it and not try to optimize it and see what happens. So the triples, oh, by the way, the numbers are between 10 to the 5 and I need to just detect unique, right? I'll just make like strings. It's like hash map or something. Oh, I forget. I think it's map. Hash map. Is it this? I have no idea actually. Can't remember anymore. We would be saying something like this. Int a equals nums I, int b equals nums j, and c equals nums k. If a plus b plus c equals 0, or then like let's sort it. Let's sort it. I can't remember how to sort anything. I have no memory of how to sort stuff in Java. So, well, that's going to be a real problem. Array list nums, or list nums equals array list nums push append, I think. A B C that's not going to work. And then we are string id string equals nums dot get 0 dot format. I think it's, I don't know, something like percent 0%, 1%, 2, something like that. Nums get 1, nums dot get 2. This is terrible. I'm a terrible human being. Has, if not, ID string. Wow. I definitely don't remember any Java. And then list. Integer. Return value. Array list. Return value dot push nums. This is some real garbage. Watch this crash so bad. First of all, I'm going to import. Variable nums is already defined. Of course. Num list. I think this has braces or something, right? What is it? Array list. Please. Why? Come on. Is it Java dot where is it now? It's like lists or something, or oh god, I can't remember. Oh, I just need a new. Cannot find symbol numList.append. Okay. Let's try again. Didn't know it was an array list. That's not what it is. Okay. Push. 127. Add. I think it's like, isn't it like push back, or is that C++? Oh, it works. Okay, sort does work, but I need a comparator. There are closures in Java now. Return A plus B. I wonder if this will work. Variable A is already defined. BB. First, second. Don't call things A, A, B, B. Come on. Get it together. Add operand types of binary operator. Why? They're objects. They're objects? They're objects. Are you? What's the object? What is it? It's like, huh? Hold on. This should be integer, right? Oh, okay. List of, yes, integers. So, since they are, in fact, integers as objects, oh, wait. If I do this, it'll work. Can I do that? No, I can't. Okay. What is the way to take an integer object? Is it this? Let's try that. Ugh. These are integer objects, right? It's a list of integer objects, right? When you have an integer object to int, that's a to int. I want to die. To value. To value. Please kill me now. Oh. What is it? What is the method that an integer object has on it that returns a basic integer value? What if I did new comparator? Oh, I don't know the name of the function. But I can do this. Private is less than int A, int B, return less than B, return, and then just use the unboxing for return is less than AB. Return type required, of course. Boolean. Why? Oh. Int minus A, I guess. Cannot find symbol if hash map has. Okay, again, a guessing game. Contains key. Put. I need a key and a value. Cannot find symbol. Add. Oh my god. Did I actually write this code? Int array. Oh god, it's not this. It's list. Oh, so frustrating. Okay, well, at least I got past all the guessing games about what these Java functions are. This has been super annoying. Make sure my ID string is correct. See? See? I knew that was the problem. I think I just need to go like 0 without the dollar. Right? Oh, you know, forget it. Forget it. Forget it. We're just doing this, I think. I think that works, right? No, you gotta do... two string? We got 2 strings happening here. Okay, great. Let's put separators. Okay, now my ID strings are... The numbers are -1, 0, and 1. Then we have 2. Then we have -1. Then we have 4. Standard out are these 3 situations, which all work. This sorting didn't work. Num list equals... Does it... Ah! No, I didn't think that it did that. Output. Expected. -1, -1, 2, -1, 0, 1. These, oh, here's the problem. It's, it's just straight up not sorting. Why? Huh? I mean, come on. That's silly. Ah, stop doing that. This shit's supposed to work. Right? It doesn't actually sort it. What am I forgetting? What am I forgetting? In Java, when you sort, things don't really sort or something. Let's clean this up a little so let's see what's happening. Oh, 1, 2. I should have sorted it. Oh my god. What? The F. Okay. That's ridiculous. This won't work. Last executed input. It's too slow, which I knew was going to happen. Because this is doing the brute force thing. Okay. Back to the math drawing board with this 3-sum problem. Let's say that I sort the inputs. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And then I pick a pivot. First of all, one thing that I know is that if this pivot, if this is part of a triplet, then I know, I guess I can do 2 binary searches. I can do a binary search before it, and I can do a binary search after it. Because, well, unless it's greater than 0. That's the thing. If this number is 0, then we can do a binary search before it and a binary search after. Oh, wait, no. Right? Every triple is part of some other triple. So it's like, if I start here, it's my first thing, and I'm like, that's the pivot, I can do a binary search before and a binary search after to find whether there's any triple. Then I move to the next one, binary search before, binary search after. Then I go to the next one, binary before, binary after. If this is a large number, it's okay. Why is it okay? Because this is greater than 0, let's say. I probably will, if there's nothing after it that balances what's before it, then but it's part of a triple where both of its pairs are less than it, then it would have already been picked up. Okay. I don't remember how to turn a list, an integer array into a list. So we're just going to say list of integer input equals new array list. It's probably like from array or arrays dot to list or arrays dot to. I hate Java. Okay, input. Okay. Okay, now they're in a list. Input sort sorter. I can't remember how to do anything in Java. Whose idea was this? Mine. Okay. Sort the input. Now go to the pivot for int I is less than input dot size plus plus count. Hope it's size. And we really start at 1, and we're going to say this is -1. And then we're going to say let pivot or int pivot equals input dot get I. Okay. Then oh my God. No. I think I can really only do one binary search. You know what I can do? Int before equals I -1, int after equals I +1. Index. Or I'm going to do something like while less index equals 1 and more index equals 1. And then I would say input sum equals pivot plus before plus after. Okay, if sum is greater than 0, before index minus minus. If sum less than 0, after index minus minus, plus plus I mean, while before index greater than 0 and after index less than input dot size. I mean, is this really more efficient? I don't really think so, but it still has to go. It's still not doing a binary search of any kind. It's just kind of going through them all. But it might get to one side before the other, maybe. And then if sum equals 0, and then I would break. I think, no, I don't want to break actually. You don't have to sort. Well, this is probably not any faster. Just have it all set. This is the worst one yet. Ah. What? Hmm. Oh. Right. Wrong answer. What? Hmm. Mm. Well, I got it. This one really sucked. I don't even want to talk about it. Also, it's late. I'm going to bed.